This is the Tech Educator 101 channel, and this video I've been working on Slackware, and in the last one we did updating, and for anything that's not in the repository, the Slackware way is this Slack builds. And so for example, a lot of third-party stuff is not inside of the default Slackware repository. And so in the Slack builds, what you can do, these are all maintained by the community. They're not maintained by the Slackware folks themselves. And so what we've got here are ways to install things. Google Chrome, the latest. This is an updater. That's funny that Chrome is not in here. Oh, here we go. I use Vivaldi anyway. So we got the Vivaldi web browser, and the process is similar for most software. Sometimes there will be other dependencies, things you have to install. This is where it can get a little awkward, as it doesn't resolve that. When you're doing the Slackware builds, it doesn't resolve dependencies automatically. And so you may have to install 2 or 3 things before you can install the software that you wanted. But usually it'll say in here, and it looks like that's not the case here. And what you want is a Slack build. And you want this file right here. Usually, sometimes there's, oh yeah, it's going to Vivaldi. So this is a link to the installer. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. All right, so we've got the Debian package that it's going to use. It's going to break that apart and create the Slackware installer. And I'm going to extract that here. And you can see here is the Slack build inside of it and the other files that we need. I'm going to drag that into there. Where am I? And in here you just see you've got your files, and we just need to run that Slack build. This really isn't that hard. You're gonna run that Slack build. Here we go. Oh. Let's see if it'll let me do that. With access, is it going to make me? All right. Can I access start file? Wait a minute, am I missing something? I wonder if I need that file. Whoops. Save. Oh, put it in there. Save. Guess I should read. There we go. All right. So it's going to break that apart and then repackage it for Slackware. And it will throw it in the temp directory. And there we go. You can see right here that it has packaged it into the TGZ, the Slackware package version file, and temp. So to install it, install package temp vivaldi. There we go, it is installed. And there's the browser. So anything that is not in the main repo, and the main repo does not have anything close to what something like an Ubuntu would have, So you kind of have to go through this process. Snaps, Flatpak, none of that stuff is installed by default. I don't even know if Slackware has a bid to run either one of them. That doesn't really seem like in their philosophy, but that's a possibility. But that is installing software. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. And if you want to see more of my content, please click subscribe. Have a great day.